Welcome. Today we're going to look at how to use the drop-down list in Microsoft Excel, how to put a drop-down list in Microsoft Excel. So we're going to use three questions to show you how to input a drop-down list in Microsoft Excel. Down list. Okay, now we have some questions. We have the first question, what is your birth month? The second question, which is your best color? And the third question is, are you a student? Now, in each of these questions, we want a drop-down list for this for the candidate or anybody to choose from, for you to choose from, and not just imputing your values. So you need to choose from the drop-down list. So to do that, the first thing you need to do is to create those drop-down lists in another worksheet, or you can still create it in a free space here. So I created mine in another worksheet. So this is the sheet where I created the list. So for the first one, I need the list for months, list of months, and list of colors that I want someone to select from. So click on the sheet, you can see the month, we have all the list of months from January to December, and the color have all the list of colors that we want them to select from. So now if you come to list, for you to do that, all you need to do is, for this third one, you ask, are you a student? So it's either a yes or a no. So we're going to show you how to do that. So let's start with the first one. What is your birth month? You click on the cell where you want the drop down list to appear. This is the cell. So I click on the cell. You can see that. Then you go to data. Okay, it's already on data. Let's assume it was on page layer. You go to data or data. So under data, you go to data tools. Now this is data validation. Click on the arrow, you're going to see data validation. You click on data validation. Under data validation, you're going to see allow. Click on the arrow, you're going to see list. So we're looking for list, allow list. Click on list. Now you're going to see source. Where is the list? This source means where is the location of the list. So you click on this up arrow, click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to see this for you to tell where the list is. So what I need to do is to go to this sheet 2 and select the list of months. So we're going to select it from the first one to the last one, so from January to December. Once you've done that, you're going to be listed here. So you click on this drop down arrow. Once you click on the drop down arrow, you see here. So after that, you click on what? Okay. Once you've done that, you come back to this. It will show you this drop down arrow. This is the list. You click on it, you can see all the list from January to December. You can do that. You can see that. So you can see that. So we've created a list for the first question. The second question, which is your best color, we do the same thing. Click on the cell you want the list to appear. First of all, let's answer this first question. What is your birth month? The birth month, just click on the drop down arrow and select, let's say May, any month of your choice. Let's say March, and select it. Once you've done that, you can see the answer appears here. Now let's assume you come here and you want to type something else that is not in the list. Let's say we want to type in ball. You can see it's not in the list. That's what will happen. It will give you error. This value doesn't match the data validation restriction defined for this cell. You can see that. So we're going to cancel this and put in something that is there. You can see that. And just go down to this arrow, the drop down list, select birth month, August. So let's answer the second question. So click on the cell you want to create the drop down list. This one around, create the drop down list for color. Click on the cell, then move to data tools, data validation, list, source. Click on this, go to sheet 2 and select all the colors. Once you selected all the colors, click on this arrow, then click on OK. Once you've done that, you see the list of colors here, so you can select the color you want. Once you select the color, that's it. Now, are you a student? Click on the cell, data or data tools. Now this is data validation. Click on the drop down arrow, data validation, any value, want list. Then source, you can just say yes, then no. So click on OK. So here, you simply select yes, or you simply select what? No, depending on what you are answering. Are you a student? If your answer is no, type no. If your answer is yes, you select what? Yes. So this is how you can create your drop down list in Microsoft Excel.